Start. Ladies and gentlemen, I am happy to be in your midst this evening and to attend the reception given to me on behalf of the corporation of this city. First of all, I thank you for the kind words spoken about me and my services to the nation. I would like to take this opportunity to say that the progress that has been made in India since independence is not only due to the efforts of the ministers and the government officers, but also due to the hard work of the people in all parts of the country. As far as I am concerned, it has been my view that we have to give the greatest importance to the economic development, because I feel that only when there is economic development, the standard of living of the people can be raised. While it is the desire of the government to raise the standard of living conditions of all sections of the people, you will be glad to know that the government are paying special attention to the welfare of the weaker sections of the people. I will now briefly explain to you as to how the government have been proceeding in the matter of economic development. You will be aware that the government, both at the center and in the states, have taken a number of steps to increase agricultural production. Nobody can deny that it is on account of a number of dams that have been constructed at a cost of several crores of rupees. A large extent of land has been brought under cultivation, and there has been increase in production of food grains and other agricultural commodities. In addition to the improvement of agricultural production to meet the needs of the growing population, it is necessary to see that there is vast expansion of industries with a view to solve the unemployment problem in the country. We have made tremendous progress in this matter by implementing the 5-year plans. I hope that with the cooperation of our people, we will make progress in this direction also. As far as the points mentioned in the welcome address are concerned, I may assure you that they will be duly considered by the government. I once again thank the mayor and other councillors of the corporation for the kind reception given to me. With these words, I conclude my speech. Letter dated the 25th May 1986 from the manager, David and Company Limited, Bharati Road, Madurai, to Messrs. Thomas and Company, Kamaraj Road, Tanjavur. Dear sirs, we are in receipt of your letter dated the 20th instant and are pleased to inform you that the terms and conditions quoted by you are acceptable to us, and we will be willing to take up the agency for your products in this area. However, we would like to have some clarifications in regard to the quality of goods produced by you, and therefore we will be deputing one of our senior officer to meet you and have a frank discussion with you. In this connection, we would request you to pay us at the rate of rupees 500 per month for the purpose of giving some advertisements in the local newspapers. We would be returning the acceptance letter on receipt of your reply to this letter. Yours faithfully. Stop.